Welcome to our room. Okay, so what's up, YouTube? It's your girl DeSiree, and I'm back on the cam with another video. And as y'all can see, we're finna give y'all a room tour. What is on your face? Okay, let me clean your face. Hey, let me clean your face. We're finna give y'all a room tour of our room. As y'all know, I'm a teen mom. I have a toddler who's, how old are you?
2.
You 2?
Yeah.
Right. So when you come in, come on in. The first thing you see is my workstation. I work from home. I have my lovely laptop. I got my school calendar because I also do online class. I have my actual calendar. I need a new one because I only got 1 more month left. And if y'all didn't know, now you know I'm doing a video every day for 90 days. So go ahead, turn on your post notifications. Next, you see my high school thingy, whatever. My light switch. My keys to my room, my house, and yeah. Ew, stop. Okay, you got this because I'm a boss, and you gotta manifest the life you want. And I know I'm a boss, and real soon I'm gonna be your boss. But I got, this is where the editing goes down, the studying, the future millionaire ideas go down right here. Here's a lovely bench. Yeah. Then I got some little drawers just full of junk probably. This one empty. Oh y'all look. I used to use this as a ring light, but now as y'all know I got a new ring light. We'll show y'all that later. But this is the bench. In here, come on. In here I have a backup deodorant. I have some earrings. And I have this little organizer. And I want to put lipsticks in it because I love lipstick. I just ain't got no new ones yet. And then I just got my ID, some earrings, my library card, and a bunch of stuff in here, $10. Basic stuff. And right here is my little, I can't afford the vanity I want, but you know, we'll get there real soon. Hold on, mama, hold my hand. So you just click it. There you go, do your makeup. This one, magnify 10. You know, hold it. Cute. Turn that off. Then you come on, turn around this way. DeSiree, leave that alone. Turn around this way. Let me close the door and show y'all what's behind the door. You have my bag collection. I got all my bags on this hook. Look at this. Look at this. Don't have kids. Leave that alone. Come on, we're giving them a room tour. This your side of the room. Show them your room. This is my closet. This is another closet. They junky. We not opening that. These are her initials, DeSiree. Yeah. We have some pictures. This one I got from Mixtown. It's an app. Download it. Minnie Mouse bed. She got some. We got a video coming soon of her doing like a clothing haul because I bought her a bunch of clothes, as y'all can see. Show them. As y'all can see, she got a bunch of clothes right here. She got more coming, so I'm gonna give y'all a toddler clothing haul. When you gonna come over here, and we have, let me turn this on, cause yeah, just because. As y'all can see, my fan got a little plug thing in it, and I love that little thing. So there we go. Come on. And then this is her section. You got these little things she colored right here, watercolors. You have all her stuff she does at school. You have her lights, her night lights, some pull-ups, some other stuff in there. More pull-ups, more stuff to change her bed. And then we have her books, all her books in there. Right here we have her wall with her lovely name on it. This is not her first Christmas stocking, but this is the first one where she decorated it, so I hung it up. This is her first like decorated stocking, or like stocking that wasn't just a basic stocking. This is her first vacation souvenir, South Padre Island. She was 6 months. This is the day her belly button fell out, like, or whatever you call it, with a little thing fall on her belly button. So I kept that. This is our fan. Look. Y'all see how hard it's blowing? It's blowing the bed over there. So that's our fan. This is our heater for in the winter. This is what I used to use for my light. But now I got a ring light. We done upgraded. Okay, next we have this little bench storage. It got clothes and covers and stuff in it. Bench storage you can sit on when you come to my room. Then you got the lovely bed right here. And this rug, look, I like it. A lot of people don't like it, but I like it. Okay? She want to show y'all this. This is our room air freshener that we have. This one she broke, but I'm going to just put this one on there when we done with this one. Okay, come on. We're showing them the bed right now. So this is where we sleep because she don't sleep in her bed. Let's just be honest. She going to get her pillow, put it over there, and she going to be right there. Here go my pillow, my bed. That's where I sleep. We got my lovely 32-inch TV. I want a 50. So yeah. This is a bookshelf that I got my TV on because TV stands be too short for me. That is so distant. We have my brother's phone. We have the Bible because we love the Lord over here. We have, I don't know why these are here. These supposed to be over there, but here go her shades. We have soap, also, and then just yearbook, middle school yearbook. I don't know, that's another yearbook. And just some documents right there. Then we have this little 3 storage shelf that I just added here for decoration, then I end up actually using it. I bought these little things to go in them, and she got some, what are these? Bonnets, like these, 6-pack, oils. I got some bonnets in here, some batteries, just random stuff. Then we got her, what's this?
Crayons?
Yeah, these are colors. She got a crayon book and a bunch of colors. So when we color, let's show them, let's see.
Sure.
Boom. No, we're gonna color when we done with the video, okay? And then down here we have our bathing towels. When people come shower in our restroom, you can get you a towel right here. And then right here, this is literally just everything I bought recently from Amazon. Literally, like all this stuff is just a bunch of random stuff I bought from Amazon. If y'all seen that video, you know. Then up here, I got pictures of the entire family, almost, except my sister, my oldest sister. And hold on, let me turn off the lights, cause this part gives the whole room a vibe. Are y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. As y'all can see, these are the LED lights that I got for free. Go watch my how to get free stuff from Amazon video. These are one of the products that I got for free from Amazon. What else did I get for free that's in here? I think it's like 3 items that's in this room that I got for free from Amazon. And it's making this room a vibe. Hold on, let me do it real quick. There we go. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Hey, sweetheart, don't jump on the bed. Get down, Demir. Okay, but let me turn the light back on and show y'all the restroom. Come on, Demir. We're gonna show y'all my restroom. This is just another window. It's another one over there. I think y'all seen it already. I'm not sure. It's another one over there. This is just another window, and I got my graduation medals and my pass from when I went to the DDG concert. Here go my DDG concert picture. Y'all tell DDG that I was so mad that this picture came out blurry. Okay. Next, we're gonna walk into my bathroom. I got a schedule right here because we're potty training. So I need to know every time she potties. But yeah, we stopped potty training, but we're gonna get back on it real soon. Okay, get out.
Okay.
We got a sink, 2 brushes, toothpaste, the lovely, the one and only, gloves. We got the shower. We got the tub. We got her thingy. We got toothpaste, deodorant, all this extra sink. And yeah, I didn't realize that those light bulbs are up there, but they're not working. Okay. Yeah, basic stuff. We got, this is the chair she stands on to brush her teeth. Show them how you brush your teeth. Show them. Oh, let's try again. Come on. Yeah, get it. Yeah. No.
When she playing, she like to brush this brand this way. Yeah, brush my teeth. I prefer this one because this one is cheap and it really don't do none of this stuff. But this one actually make her breath smell good. See, she just playing. She just playing, but I'm not gonna tell her that brushing her teeth is bad because it's not. You brush her?
All right, come on, let's go. You just did. Now let's go. It's okay. I turned the water off. And that is my lovely room. I'm gonna give y'all like a little turnaround of it one time. Look at her putting on these glasses. Okay, that's our lovely room. It's really lit. It's a vibe. Y'all come over. You can sit right there, and you can pick your favorite color. What color you said you want? Purple? Purple? Oh, hold on. You said you want red? You like red? Oh, okay. You said yellow? Yellow? Oh, okay. I thought I heard white. White? Okay. Green? Green? Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. You gonna turn the light on? This is what she does to wake me up in the morning because she normally wakes up before me. Okay. But thank you guys for watching this lovely video. If you made it all the way to the end, go ahead and type in the comments, oh my gosh, just so I can know you made it to the end. Look at this. Don't have kids. She's playing with the light. Don't have kids. What are you doing? It's literally like 10 p.m. at night, so I'm finna edit, then upload right there at the lovely station. And I ain't gonna never lie to y'all. I would say I'm gonna put this stuff in the comment section, but I'm not. I don't know where half of this stuff came, but I know this came from Amazon and this came from Amazon, and most of this stuff that y'all see came off that app. So go ahead and watch that video and get you some free stuff, okay? What you doing? You doing it wrong. You go like this. See, okay? But like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you to my lovely brother for being the cameraman for this lovely video. You've been in my room, my lovely room, and we out. Bye, guys.